In this part 4 of multi-part series, I will try to explore the world of electric vehicles, changing trends, rapid adoption of innovation and automation, the key players in this space, how smart money is moving in, how you can ride this wave of new trends, make some money, and much more. Hi, my name is Sunny and welcome to my channel Sunny Snippets. Here, I try to make videos that affects a common man financially. If you are new to this channel, please smash that like button as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm and it will be highly appreciated. In part 1 of this series, I have tried to explain what is an EV or an electric vehicle. If you haven't seen that, please click on the top right corner if you are in mobile and I will leave the link in the description too. Then you can come back and watch part 4. The new buzzword is electric vehicles or EV these days. I think EVs are on the path of exponential growth as far as their acceptance as autos are concerned. This has increased the share price of these companies exponentially. As a result, the market cap of these companies have skyrocketed in 2020. I think the party has just started as we are in the initial stage of this exponential growth for these companies. Tesla paved the way for adoption of acceptance of EVs as alternative to conventional gas-powered cars. The path was not easy and the journey was very bumpy, but the conviction of one man, Elon Musk, the driving force behind Tesla, its majority shareholder and CEO, made it all happen. He saw the window of opportunity where we can have sustainable use of energy to power our lives. He took this chance by putting all the money he made from his earlier successful startups like PayPal and poured into Tesla. There's no doubt about the technology itself, but people doubted if it can be scaled up in a cost effective manner. People doubted if the car will be powerful enough or can be made affordable as compared to the conventionally gas powered cars. Tesla has proved that their cars can compete in power and cost with their compatible, comparable gas powered cars. Now, all the hard work is done and the proof is in front of us in the form of Tesla's product lineup like Model S, Model X, Model Y, Tesla Semi, Cybertruck, etc. Now the question is, how can I ride this wave of EVs, monetize in such a way that it can help in my retirement fund? In 2020, Tesla made and delivered about 500,000 cars according to their press release. Smart money was already invested in Tesla a couple of years ago, and they have already 10xed their money at least. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, so please consult your financial advisor before investing. All I am trying to do is share my personal experience of investing in this space. I'm a very conservative investor, so I started buying into Tesla stock towards the middle of 2020 and continue to buy it whenever there is a dip in pricing. As you see from the chart, Tesla's share price on January 3rd, 2020 was $88.60 and its price on the day of closing on December 31st, 2020 was $705. Anybody who has bought Tesla exactly a year ago has multiplied their money around 9 times. Tesla is building gigafactories in Austin, Berlin, and Shanghai right now, and they're planning to have much more in the future. With these 3 gigafactories, Tesla plans to manufacture and deliver around 2.5 million cars by 2022. This will be 5 times the sales from 2020. I think it's a matter of time that it will be reflected in the share price in future. This means there is room for growth as far as Tesla's share price is concerned. On top of the expected exponential increase in sales from Tesla in coming years, they are aggressively developing their autonomous driving capabilities. As per their website, you can opt for the beta version for about $10,000 at the time of recording. With time, this autonomous driving capability is going to be a bigger portion of sales for the company. Elon Musk has talked about robotaxi network and autonomous driving as a combination of Uber and autonomous driving. According to me, this will give Tesla and its bottom line an exponential boost. If you add the future revenue of autonomous and robotaxi with the revenue from sales of cars, so you can project a bigger growth in revenue for the whole company as a whole. This will surely be reflected in the stock price of Tesla in coming years. If you look at Tesla stock in terms of conventional stock analysis, surely it looks expensive. Most of us remember the growth phase of transformational companies like Apple, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. Right now, Tesla is in that phase of its growth where, according to Elon Musk, they plan to grow at about 40 to 50% per year for the next 10 years. This is what Apple, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft were doing in those exponential growth years. Anybody who has invested in those companies in those early growth years have managed to grow their wealth exponentially. Let's take the example of Apple as seen in this chart. On 5th May 2006, Apple was trading at $2.57, and right now at the time of recording on 31st December 2020, it is trading at $132.69 if you take into account the stock splits. This is what I call it exponential growth. Apple came from nowhere and become a $2 trillion company in a matter of 15 years. Now, let's take the example of another transformational company called Amazon. If you can see from this chart, on 30th December 2005, its stock price was $47.15, and in a matter of 15 years, it went to $3,256.93. This is also an exponentially growth, and along the way, it has made its founder, Jeff Bezos, the richest man in the world. I see Tesla in the light of these two examples and what Tesla is doing right now by disrupting the existing gas-powered automotive industry. Out of total about 90 million cars made every year, Tesla just made 500,000 out of them. They have got so much market share to capture in an ever-exploding trend for EVs. I'm not a financial advisor, but a common Joe who uses a bit of common sense and lot of reading. I think even today at this price, Tesla is a good bargain if you believe in the growth potential it has. This is exactly the reason why I continue to buy Tesla at every dip in price. I completely understand that stock buying may not be an ideal choice for everybody, as it involves stock fluctuations every day. Buying an ARK ETF might give you that comfort with reduced volatility and a sizable exposure to Tesla stock. If you see its top 10 holdings, ARK Innovation ETF, Tesla is their top holding with about 10% position. The rest are the new age disruptive technology companies that they think are the next Apples and Amazons of technology. As a disclaimer, I own shares in Apple, Tesla, Amazon, and ARK Innovation ETF. Please consult your financial advisor for your situation. The whole idea of this series is to educate my audience about new trends in electric vehicles, the option they have as far as new EVs are hitting the market. Last but not the least, how you can monetize it for your own retirement funds. Stock purchases are not for short-term durations, but for people who invest consistently for longer periods with realistic growth expectations and tolerance for volatility. This is my take. EVs, change is coming. If you have found value in the content that I make, please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the next video on your channel, Sunny Snippets.